Hi, I'm friends, and let's see today how can we split the screen in VideoPad. This is a new project, and let us add some files, some images. For example, those. I choose 4 of them. Some of them are PNG, so let's import some background for them. Something like that. And I will drag and drop the background first. Okay, now let's see. We can do our new screen, split screen. By dragging our images into timeline and let us see by changing their size and moving the pictures left, right, and so on. The next one, see, I'm like choosing the picture, do right click, do left click on it, and changing it, working with it. Put it here, and the last one, change size and move it. Okay. This is our screen, but in VideoPad there is an effect which will be very useful for us. Okay, let's remove the images from timeline and left one only on our background, and I'll click on it, I'll choose it, image, and I'll do right click on it, and I'll find effects. And I will add effect. The name of this effect is split screen. Okay, let's add it. So you see, this is our effect. That will be our screen. And let us see properties of the effect. So layout. Layout, there are a lot of layouts, and what I need, because we have 4 images, is grid 2x2. Okay. And now that will be our location of our images. This is the first one. If it's here, it will be like that. If it's here, it will be like this. You choose, and this is the region, you see D. You can fill region, you can fit to region, you can crop to region. Yeah. Okay, let's do it fit to region. Okay. And you can change the scale of your image, but I would prefer it to be like it is 1. Okay, that's it actually what is useful for me. So, we change the grid, it has to be 2x2, so that piano will be at this position, and let us drag and drop other images, this and that and this. Okay, and let's do the same with those images. So I'm choosing the image, do right click, effects, adding split screen. We have our parameters chosen, they are good, let it be here. Okay, so the next one is here, it's okay, and the last one will be here. This is our new screen, and I think it's nice. That's it. Thank you. See you next time.